Hello everyone, I am Divyanshu. In this video, I will talk about top 3 biggest, tallest animal and top 3 tallest bird. So don't waste time and let's begin. In first position, most people guess that's giraffe. That's the main and simple reason why giraffe is in first place, because giraffe has long neck, very tall neck. That's why giraffe is in first place. The size of giraffe is commonly 5.5 meter to 6.2 meters. In second place, we have African elephant. Yes, African elephant is the biggest elephant in Africa. The size of African elephant is 3 to 4 meters. Yes, that's too big. Mostly African elephant is found in North Africa and Southeast Africa. In third position, we have camel. Camel is also tallest animal for his neck. Everyone says how long is camel's neck. The size of camel is commonly 1.5 to 2.5 meters. These are top 3 tallest animals. In top 3 tallest bird, in first place, mostly people guess that's ostrich. Ostrich is also long for his neck and also for his legs. Everyone says how long is ostrich's leg. So the commonly size of ostrich is 1 to 2 meters. In second place, we have Somali ostrich. The size of Somali ostrich is commonly 0.5 1.0 meters. Mostly Somali ostrich are found in Eastern Africa, but in Eastern Africa, in Somali, the Somali ostrich is mostly found many. That's why this ostrich has named Somali ostrich. In third place, we have emu. Emu is also look like ostrich, and emu is also second fastest bird, and the first fastest bird is ostrich. So the height of emu is commonly 0.10 to 1 meter. So that is for today, guys. If you like this video, then like, subscribe my channel and share. Thanks for watching.